this one is a winter spiced chicken soup. So we have carrot, celery, onion, your normal building blocks of soup, right? We're gonna make it a little extra hearty by adding potatoes to the soup base as well. So carrot, celery, onion, potatoes are how we get started. Now, the thing that really warms you up about this soup are all of the flavors that go in next. It's a combination of toasted ground seeds and spices, and some fresh ginger and garlic, and turmeric. So you can use ground turmeric, or I've grated up some fresh. A few fat cloves, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, grated or chopped. And I like to cut the ginger into beautiful matchsticks. So we're gonna throw in our turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Salt. And then for the pepper, because I was toasting up seeds, I toasted up some whole peppercorn. The seeds I use for my dish, for everybody has their own spice blend for this, are caraway and cumin, and then nice bright coriander seed. Then you can add cloves, a little pinch of ground clove, and a little bit of grated nutmeg. I toast up all the seeds in the black peppercorn. I grind them up in my little spice mill. We toast seeds just like we toast nuts because seeds have oils in them. You develop their flavor and their fragrance and the essential oils in the seeds when you give them a light toast. So we're going to sprinkle in our spice blend and let this sweat, let the natural juices come out of the potatoes and vegetables while the spices develop and marry. When the vegetables are tender, you're gonna add 2 quarts of chicken stock and a fresh tomato diced. Now we're going to make the special sauce that goes up on top of our soup. This soup has been simmering in the back. It's up to a boil with all of our vegetables and our wonderful spice blend. Now we're gonna add that fresh tomato I mentioned and a rotisserie chicken. You just remove the skin, take it off the bone, and I just pull mine into bite-sized pieces. So now the soup is done. So we're going to take a full processor bowl, a bunch each of parsley, cilantro, and mint. To that, we're going to add the juice of a couple of limes. Then we're gonna add a little black pepper, some salt, over the shoulder for luck, a couple of garlic, a couple of jalapenos or chilies of choice, a little cumin, and just a hint of cardamom. And then we're gonna stream in until it's a pesto-like sauce, your olive oil, about 1/3 to 1/2 cup. So this is our winter spice chicken soup with the ginger and the garlic, all those toasted great flavors of the caraway and the cumin and the coriander. And now it's gonna get really interesting. We're gonna add our homemade green hot sauce to stir in as you eat it. I'm telling you, this one's a winner, really good. So of course, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and we've got maybe the perfect gift for that special fella in your life. Man Crates are high quality themed gift sets covering everything from grilling to fishing to cocktails. To get a jump start on your Valentine's Day, everyone in the studio audience is going home with a $100 gift card to Man Crates.